Hi guys, hope you are doing good and taking care of yourselves and your loved ones. Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Rana Banerjee. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification button below. So guys, today's video is going to be a little bit different from the other videos. I'm going to do a skincare related haul. This haul is from Purple, which is giving really great offers these days. So, and yeah, I will give all the links in the description below in case you want to buy any of these products. I'm sure after watching this video you are going to jump on these products, I'm sure. The first product which I'm going to show you all is a castor oil. So basically I got it for my hair, but as you know, the castor oil is really good for your skin as well, so I thought of adding it in this haul. So, castor oil is rich in vitamin E, which is really good for your skin as well as for your hair, and it is also known for its antibacterial properties. So this is from Wishcare and it says it is the cold processed 100% pure castor oil. This comes in a 200 ml bottle. So I bought it for rupees 199, and a 200 ml bottle of castor oil in 199 rupees is really amazing. So actually I got a 50% off in this product. So it retails for rupees 399. So now also the offer is going on in Purple. Next thing which I'm going to show you all is a face scrub. So this I bought it as a combo from M Caffeine, which consisted of a face scrub and a body scrub. So this combo retailed for rupees 675. So if you buy this individually, you will get for 840 or 845 rupees. So on that way it is really cheap. So I'm going to show you all by applying these products on my face and review it on that way. So the first is the face scrub. So this is a coffee face scrub which also contains vitamin C. I can feel the fine granules which would, I guess, exfoliate the skin well. Let's see. So coffee is really good for your skin as it improves your blood circulation, reduces puffiness, exfoliates dead cells as well as brightens your skin. So after washing off the scrub, my skin felt really smooth and hydrated. It did not feel that dry and cracky. I personally don't like the smell that much, but overall this is really a nice scrub. So the next product in this combo is this coffee body scrub. It comes in a glass jar. That is really a plus point. So you can see that it has a powder consistency. This product, oh my god, the smell is amazing, the texture is amazing, and I can't stop saying amazing. So let's get on to the next product. तो अब मैं जो जो आइटम्स आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ ना, उसमें से एक भी ऐसा प्रोडक्ट नहीं है जिससे मेरे को फ्री कुछ नहीं मिला. सारे बाकी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स में मेरे को कुछ ना कुछ फ्री मिला. और पहले का भी जो दो प्रोडक्ट्स था उसमें से it had a great deal, that combo one and also the castor oil one, which I never thought that I will get a castor oil in rupees 200. So yeah, the next product is the rose gold toner, glow toner, not gold toner, glow toner. So the next product is the rose glow toner from Good Vibes. Toner is really amazing. You will really feel fresh and cool and calm after applying this toner. This has that authentic rose smell. So yeah, this retails for rupees 225, but in Purple I got it for 191 rupees, and also I got a pomegranate face scrub free with this. So the next thing which I purchased is the apple cider vinegar foaming face wash from Wow. I heard about it and I really wanted to apply this, and I really wanted to buy this product only because of that brush which it contains. I'll show you, and I'll show you by applying it also. So you can ignore my expressions because I was really excited for using this product for the first time. So the brush is not at all harsh, it is really gentle with the skin, and I personally enjoyed using this face wash. So again, I got a body butter free from this brand, that is Wow, with this apple cider vinegar face wash. So the next product which I bought is the Plums Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash. So I heard about it from a lot of people and I wanted to buy it from a really long time. So this is the product. So I got the green tea daylight sunscreen free with this face wash. So the last thing which I bought is this rose hip serum from Good Vibes. This is a 10 ml bottle. I just wanted to try it, whether my skin suits it or not. So this serum is really nice and light weighted. This is not that greasy and oily, and your skin will really feel glowy after applying this. And again I got a water lily shower gel free with this serum. And as usual I got a water lily shower gel free with this product. So that brings us to the end of the video. So if you liked the video, please hit that like button and comment down your suggestions below. I hope to see you all next week. So till then, take care and bye!